Hi, I'm Sean with Microsoft Accessibility. In this video, we'll cover some of the new features and ease of access in the April 2018 update to Windows 10.
An animated man taps a keyboard, a question mark. A hand pops from the screen giving direction. Microsoft support made easy.
There are three major ways ease of access has changed. Let's take a look.
In Settings,
First, the features are now grouped by disability category: vision, hearing, and interaction. Some of the options that previously shared a page now have their own page, such as color filters, high contrast, display, and eye control. And each page has more detailed descriptions, and some keyboard shortcuts are listed in line. The first category we have is vision. There are 6 pages: display, cursor and pointer size, magnifier, color filters, high contrast, and narrator. In hearing, we have audio and closed captions, and in interaction, we have speech, keyboard, mouse, and eye control. We have improved descriptions on each page, and keyboard shortcuts are listed right below the features to make it easy to find. For example, below the Turn On Magnifier toggle switch, the keystrokes Windows Plus and Windows Escape are listed to turn magnifier on or off. In the Color Filters page, there is now a color wheel to show how the filter will change the display. The Speech page now brings together speech features from across the operating system: Cortana, dictation, and Windows speech recognition, so they're all available in one place. If you're a mouse keys user, the mouse page now has some more options like pointer speed and acceleration. And finally, eye control now has its own page and is always visible regardless of whether you have an eye tracker connected or not. If you want to learn about eye control, check out our other videos setting up eye control and walkthrough of eye control features. As a reminder, you can get to ease of access by pressing Windows U on your keyboard. If you want to give us feedback on how to improve ease of access, go to aka.ms/accessibilityfeedback. If you enjoyed this video, please select the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos related to assistive technology.
Microsoft logo in high contrast, logo in Braille, logo in sign language, standard Microsoft logo.